Andersen.
It's like Aaron.
Ooh.
This is how it came, man.
The yellow film. Make it look good. Alright guys, this is where we are. We're moving up in life. Just kidding. This is my cousin Chris, and this is his C63 coupe, 204 coupe. And I'm gonna drive a C63 for my first time, so we'll take it easy. See how it is. But I wanted to take you guys along, of course. So he'll wheel the camera.
Yes, sir.
And I guess you can tell him too what's all done to the car, because it's quite a bit. Enough to list.
Yeah, it's got the usual headwork done to it with the Black Series, buckets, ARP hardware, all that good stuff.
Okay. Should I flip around and follow them, by the way?
No, you should just head up.
Okay.
Yeah, just head up there. We'll hit the freeway over there. It's lowered on some drift spec coilovers. Just put in the new mounts.
Yeah, you got the Creative Steel mounts, so shout out to Creative Steel for that.
Yes, sir. They're fantastic. We're got a stage 2 tune on E60 from WiseTech, so that's been ripping. And then just the Armatrix cat delete.
This is loud.
Yeah, so.
And then you just got the Burger Motorsports.
Oh yeah, got the pedal tuner thrown in there, so that's been a nice little step up there. Yeah, that's pretty much it, I think. Just the catch can and filter, stuff like that. Nothing too crazy.
Are your headers back on it now?
No, I don't have headers. Okay. So it's just the cat delete, stock headers still.
Okay.
But yeah, that's a tough one to deal with out here in Cali.
Yeah. So we got, what do you have? You got Sport?
Yeah, Sport Plus, and then straight manual.
What are you driving in most of the time?
Sport Plus is a good one to, if you're gonna get on it, definitely Sport Plus.
What do you have the pedal tuner at right now?
I think it's at stage 1, so like sport mode. I found that to be the nice spot.
Yeah. It's so loud. Oh my God. Sounds good. Loud though. Yeah, so I don't know, throughout all these years, guys, I don't know how I've never driven a C63. You guys know I had the ML63, which I love that motor, so I've always been curious what it feels like in the 204. So today we get to try it out in a coupe.
Yes, sir.
And then he'll let me manual swap it.
Yeah, that'd be fantastic.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'd be like one of the only ones out here.
Yeah, that'd be sick. Good luck getting it registered though.
Yeah.
Well, we have ways.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Figured out some ways.
We know some people.
Does it show your oil temp too?
Yeah, we can go cycle through that to the left till it's AMG. Yeah, keep on one more. Yeah, there you go.
Okay, you're good.
Yeah, if you're gonna rip on it, let's turn that off.
Go straight?
Yeah, keep going straight.
Got the pops.
Oh yeah.
The snap crackle pop.
It's got a lot of gas running through there.
That's wild, I know. What's your MPG average on
Oh god.
a normal day?
Like 12 miles.
Because I think I was maybe 3/4 of the throttle right there, not even. So
Yeah, this thing is
got some giddy up.
It's definitely more of a freeway car.
Yeah. If you've ever lost a race and you drive a motorcycle, It was probably this guy's fault.
Oh yeah. Catch me on the bridge, this thing will stretch his legs out real good.
It's funny, I've never been like the biggest fan of the coupe on the 204.
Yeah.
But the way you have yours set up, I like it. It looks good.
Oh, thanks,
The black
man.
on black. We'll show you guys outside. I'll probably put some B-roll over, but we'll give you guys the outside tour also. And engine bay, I'm sure you guys are curious about that. It's always fun to look at the M156. Full tank, it's good.
Yeah, I just topped it off with some E for you.
Oh, sweet. It's easy to find for you guys everywhere around here? Or
Yeah, it's pretty, yeah, there's, certain spots.
Nice.
Every town's got a couple of them here and there.
What's, are they all 85 or is everyone's different? Or
So they always say that it's in a range, right? So like some places might have a higher concentration,
like
some closer.
It's labeled as 85, but it's always going to be.
Yeah, it might be E70 or, you know, some variation of it, but typically they're pretty close.
Yeah. So Joey needs that port injection and the ethanol in his.
Oh yeah, that car would love it.
Yeah.
That thing gets up too.
I just drove a BMW too, guys. So I committed sacrilege today. But we had to redeem with the AMG. You know. No, you guys all think I hate BMWs. I don't. I like BMWs. Just I don't have any. So certain ones.
Try to keep it pretty quiet, but when you open it up, there's no holding back.
Yeah, you can definitely feel the pedals. It's not normal Mercedes anymore. I forget, it's a 7-speed.
Yeah, you got one more.
It's nice, dude. It still feels good, nice and tight. As I was telling Joey, that I still wish that Mercedes had the same steering response. Like,
yeah, I remember when I had the CLA, that shit was super floaty.
Yeah.
Like, it's like that electronic, right? Electronic steering or whatever, power steering. Because this shit is straight hydraulic, and I think they say I think there's something in there to where the faster it goes, the more planted the steering is.
Vario speed, yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah. The only one that I've heard is like close to like BMW-ish is the C63 Black Series. I hear that car like absolutely fantastic steering response and handling.
Yeah.
They're like, this feels similar to my C55. Like they always have a little bit of like vagueness to them, but you can still rip them. You just get used to it. It feels different. How many X's we got?
We got a little ways.
Okay.
That would hold up for a sec. There's usually cops that sit up here, but I think if that is radar out, we would have already had them.
Chill. Not trying to end my trip with a ticket.
You're gonna get over to your right. One of those, this is that freeway where you'll catch some good races.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of people that come out here just to rip.
Yeah, I feel like it's up on this side is way more secluded than when you're down on the other 101.
Yeah. lot of our baller dudes live up in the hills out here, and so be Porsches and Raris and shit running into out here.
Here she is from the outside. Got the 4-star wheels, yellow headlight tint, which we're always a fan of. I want to try that on my C55 actually. The yellow film.
Love it.
I like it, look good. And we got engine bay. This is a, what is a 14 or?
Yeah.
14. Yeah. So
yeah.
he got the later stuff. Good for the M156 family. Got the WiseTech catch can. Just a beast, the NA beast.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Dude, thank you so much, man.
Of course,
appreciate
man.
it, bro.
Thanks for ripping it.
Alright, you guys. Comment down below, should we get a C63 to manual swap? I think I know the answer, but you guys should definitely say yes. Alright, much love to this guy. See you guys in the next one. Peace.